In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get Hulu on your Nintendo Switch. Let's get started. Unfortunately, there is no official Hulu app for the Nintendo Switch. However, you can still stream Hulu on your Switch using a workaround. Start by connecting your Switch to your TV in TV mode, or use the handheld screen. Then access Hulu through a compatible device like a smartphone, tablet, or computer. For example, you can use your smartphone to stream Hulu and then mirror your screen to the Switch via HDMI or a compatible streaming device like Chromecast. Alternatively, if you have Hulu on another device like an Xbox or Roku, connect your Switch to the same network and switch inputs on your TV to watch Hulu. While it's not a direct solution, these methods let you enjoy Hulu alongside your gaming setup. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!